台灣話第二課之一
Taiwanese Lesson 2 Part 1
對話阮是學生
Dialogue We are students.
B 代表牧師 H 代表學生
B equals minister. H equals student.
B1 較早 H1 較早
B1 Good morning. H1 Good morning.
B2 恁是學生是無 H2 是阮是學生你是新婦是無
B2 You're students, aren't you? H2 Yes, we are students. You're a priest, aren't you? Are you a priest?
B3 毋是我毋是新婦我是牧師請恁坐 H3 多謝
B3 No, I'm not a priest. I'm a minister. Please have a seat. H3 Thank you.
B4 恁愛食什麼我請恁食果子 H4 多謝牧師阮愛看冊你有冊無
B4 What would you like to eat? Have some fruit. H4 Thanks. We like reading, Reverend. Do you have any books?
B5 有這是冊請恁看
B5 Yes, these are books. Help yourself.
H5 牧師你愛看冊無 B6 愛恁愛食飯無阮有飯
H5 Do you like to read, Reverend? B6 Yes. Do you want to eat? We have food.
H6 多謝牧師再見 B7 再見請閣來坐
H6 Thank you. Goodbye, Reverend. B7 So long. Please come again.
對話注解
Notes on dialogue. Note the different answers that are translated yes.
H2 的是 B5 的有 B6 的愛
To answer a question, we very often use the same verb used in the question. If no negative is used, it means an affirmative answer.
B2 恁是學生是無 H2 是阮是學生你是新婦是無 H4 多謝牧師阮愛看冊你有冊無 B5 有這是冊請恁看 H5 牧師你愛看冊無 B6 愛恁愛食飯無阮有飯 B6 愛恁愛食飯無阮有飯 H6 多謝牧師再見 H6 的多謝
From this response alone, we would not know whether the students ate the food or not. We know from goodbye that they did not eat. People will frequently invite visitors to eat if it is anywhere near mealtime, and visitors will ordinarily refuse. Later we will learn other ways of answering such invitations.
成語
Vocabulary.
無
Not, no, none, not have, without. Negative of.
有我無錢
I have no money.
無
Or not.
你有錢無
Have you any money?
無
Used at the end of a sentence to make it interrogative. Note the fifth tone changed to third. See grammar note on enclitics.
無
Is often pronounced as
無
without the dot.
無愛
Not like, not want, to dislike.
我無愛看冊
I don't want to read.
牧師
Of Protestant clergy. Minister, reverend. Used also in direct address.
牧師娘
Wife of a Protestant minister, used also in direct address.
坐
To sit. With vehicle, to ride, to take.
請坐
Please have a seat.
冊
Book.
你有冊無
Have you any books?
請
Please, request, to invite, treat to.
請因食飯
Invite them to eat.
請恁食飯
Please eat.
食
To eat.
食
Means to eat. But in future lessons we will translate it in many other ways. Such as, live to such an age. Take medicine or snuff. Smoke, tobacco. Drink, wine and many other liquids. Suckle, mother's milk.
食飯
To eat rice, to eat, have a meal.
食飯
Means literally, to eat rice. But as ordinarily used it means, to eat a meal, even if rice is not eaten at the meal.
因無愛食飯
They don't want to eat. Or, they don't like to eat rice.
阮
We, us.
阮
Excludes the person spoken to. Compare with.
咱 因
They, them.
看
To look at, with the determined purpose of seeing, distinguished from happen to see. To watch, see, with.
冊
To read.
看冊
To read a book, to read.
我愛看冊
I like to read.
果子
Fruit.
你愛食果子無
Do you like to eat fruit?
過來坐才過來坐
Come again. Lit, again come to sit. Then again come to sit. Spoken by host to visitor who is leaving the house or by businessman to customer who is leaving the shop. Answer.
好 哦，好好。請你過來坐。
Please come again.
咱
We, us. Includes the person spoken to.
恁
You. Plural in subjective and objective cases. In possessive case can be singular.
毋是
Not be. Negates the statement. Negative of.
是，迄毋是錢。
That is not money.
飯
Cooked rice, food.
這是飯，是無？
Is this rice?
飯
Only cooked rice is.
飯
There is a different name for rice at each of its stages of production.
是無？
Is that right? Is it so? Is it or not? Used at the end of a sentence to make it interrogative.
你是牧師，是無？
Are you a minister?
什麼
What, any, anything.
The me in 什麼 is always in the second tone. 伊愛什麼
What does he want?
伊無愛什麼
He doesn't want anything.
伊無什麼愛食
He doesn't care to eat. He doesn't feel very much like eating.
神父
Priest, Catholic father. Indirect address, father. Lit, spiritual father.